Hello my friend, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and today I'm going to give you an overview of our crypto markets mastermind group and how to use Slack on your desktop computer to access and engage in our community. Even though I actually more highly recommend to get Slack on your mobile phone and stay connected with our conversation that way, it's just much more convenient and it goes with you everywhere. I actually use Slack on both all of my computers and my mobile phone, so I'm always connected no matter what device I'm using. You can do what works for you, but if I had to choose to use only one, I would definitely opt for the mobile version because I like to stay connected with the information flow wherever I go. So for starters, you can download and install Slack from www.slack.com, which is what you see on the screen right now. Keep in mind, we are not signing into the mastermind on slack.com. We are simply downloading and installing the app to our desktop or laptop computers. Just hover your mouse over the resources link at the top and click download. Then you can download and install the appropriate version for your operating system on the following screen here. Once you have it installed and open on your computer, you will just need to go to the email that you used to register for Bitcoin Lifestyles Club and use its search function to search for the word Slack. Because when you first registered and paid for your membership, you should have received two emails. One with your login details for the members course area and a second email from Slack with your login link to our mastermind group. If you didn't get that second email, just contact me and let me know and I'll make sure that gets to you. So once you find that invite email from Slack for the Bitcoin Lifestyles Mastermind group, just open it and click the link in your email and it will open up the group right in the Slack application you have already installed and open on your computer. Once you're in, it will look similar to what you see on the screen. On the main part of the Slack app with the white background, you see the conversation that is happening in our Trading Talk channel, which I would consider our main hub of conversation for the group. This is where we are going to be discussing the flow of the Bitcoin and altcoin markets daily and providing our analysis, opinions, market research, and other sorts of valuable crypto markets info whenever possible. As I scroll through here, you can see we have a conversation happening in real time every day, full of analysis and useful information you can use to your advantage for your trading strategies. Because we have many other channels of conversation, myself or other members will post hashtags to other channels in this Trading Talk channel in order to bring attention to interesting pieces of information, market research, or news that is happening in the other channels. I'll just find an example real quick. And here, I posted an article about Bakkt's recent acquisitions in the market research channel. So this is what a little link to another channel would look like, with a little pound symbol and then the name of the channel, and it looks like a link, and you can literally just left click it and it will bring us right into the channel. And here we are, we're in the market research channel. You can interact with any of the posts or comments you see in the chats by hovering your mouse over any of it. You will see a little menu appear on the right side giving you options. You can leave a reaction using an emoji using the first option in order to show how you feel about something. I just gave this post a thumbs up. Other members can now left click on this thumbs up to add a thumbs up to it. Also, when you scroll your mouse to the bottom underneath of an image or post, the little emoji icon will show up down here as well. You can also respond to this post directly. I mean, of course you can make another comment that happens right beneath it, but you can also make a threaded comment if you press this little menu button here that says start a thread, and then it will open up a thread here where you can then make a reply. And the other options are pretty self-explanatory, as you'll see when you explore them. And of course, the messaging box at the bottom should be pretty self-explanatory as well. The paperclip icon is for uploading attachments like images. The @ symbol is for tagging other members of the mastermind in the conversation, and the smiley face is for easy emoticon access as you're typing your messages here. And just for example, like when you're going to type the name of another channel in there, you would type this little pound symbol. Then as you can see, it gives a list of all the channels that you could actually tag, and you can just go through this list and left click the one you want actually, like this. And then when you press enter, it'll then appear like a link like we clicked on the other screen in order to get to this market research channel. So that's how the linking to other channels works. The dark column area to the left of the conversation has all the channels of conversation of our mastermind group. We have them categorized according to all the most interesting and highly discussed areas of the crypto market that are outside our regularly focused conversation and analysis of the Bitcoin and altcoin markets that's happening in our trading talk channel. As you can see, I have some starred channels at the top of the column. These are my favorite channels that I personally like to have quick access to, which include, of course, Trading Talk, News Links, Market Research, Tron Dexchange, Group Help, Crypto Auto Trader, and Bitcoin Speculation, which are all pretty self-explanatory names for what they are. Group Help is like where people have some questions where they need some help. I'm always looking in there to see if I can answer those, or other members that are within our mastermind are also answering those questions. Tron Dexchange, you might not know what that is. Tron's an altcoin cryptocurrency, and this channel is about Tron and its decentralized exchange. Market Research is about interesting information about projects in the crypto industry. Bitcoin Speculation is speculation on the Bitcoin market specifically. And so any channel you go into, you can select the star icon on the top left here to add it to your starred channels list, like I've done. And of course, this channel, Market Research, is already starred, so it's golden. So if I unstar it, you see it left the list. I'll add it right back. And below the starred channels list, you can see the list of the rest of the channels of conversation of our mastermind. You can just scroll down to see them better. Other channels we have include affiliate marketing, airdrops and bounties, where you can learn ways to earn free crypto, Bitcoin Fork, which is a channel that used to be much more active in 2017. Seems like Bitcoin Forks have become pretty irrelevant, but you never know, so I've left that one. Then you have the course channel, where I make announcements and provide links to new trainings. And then there's the crypto portfolio channel, where we can discuss crypto portfolio building ideas. ETF stock market talk seems to be a popular ongoing conversation. We have a channel that discusses crypto exchanges, masternodes. We have a mining mastermind channel where our mining wizards like Shelby are discussing their mining strategies and helping people learn how to set up mining rigs. We have the new fair launches channel where you can learn about new coins that launch to the exchange without an ICO fundraising scheme. We have the random channel where you can usually find some pretty funny and random crypto postings. There's Scam Watch, which is where we'll post any info about any known scams as we learn about them. We have the trading education channel for any questions about the training. And wow, there really are quite a few channels here, and I haven't even mentioned all of them because it really is pretty much self-explanatory, and I think you get it at this point. Another channel you should know about is the Shitcoin Talk channel, which is quite popular. One of our popular and successful mastermind members, Shelby, will usually have some pretty awesome ideas for coins in this up-and-coming category of higher risk, lower cap trading opportunities. One last channel I will mention is the Twitter Updates channel. This is a direct feed to all of my tweets and retweets on Twitter. Of course, I recommend to follow me directly on Twitter at Calibray802, but this will be a convenient way for you to see the feed of all the great crypto markets info coming through my Twitter account on a daily basis. This is where I find out about some of the latest and greatest developments in real time. And so if you are a part of multiple Slack groups You will also see their icons in the top left of the Slack app. As you can see, the BLC logo here is the icon for our mastermind group, and the other icons here are for other Slack groups that I'm in. You can edit your profile, preferences, and other various aspects by clicking the drop down right above your name here at the top of the app. And of course, last but not least, you can use the private messaging feature to communicate with me and ask me questions directly if you scroll down this dark column to the bottom of the list of channels and find names of the members, and you'll be able to find my name, and you can click it and send me a message. And you can also find my name in any of the channels of conversation and left click it and select to send me a message this way as well. Feel free, I'm here to help. And of course, we have a few rules for the mastermind. And these rules exist to make the mastermind group a friendly environment that everyone feels like they can participate in, while at the same time keeping it effective and not wasting anyone's time. So here we go with the rules of the BLC Crypto Mastermind Group. Rule number 1, no question is a stupid question. This one is important to me because we have people of all skill levels here, and I don't want anyone to feel left out. Rule number 2, keep the conversation focused. In the Trading Talk channel, we are keeping it focused mainly to the conversation of Bitcoin and altcoins analysis. Please do not spam this channel with extra links that are not related to that. I'm sure whatever you have to share is interesting, and by all means, please share it in the appropriate channel. For example, if you have a news article, put it in the news link channel. And if you think it's really great, you can then post a comment about it in Trading Talk and put a hashtag link to the channel like I showed you earlier. And in keeping the conversation focused, this rule also works the same with any of the other channels in the mastermind. This is just about effectiveness of the use of our mastermind conversation space, and it makes for a better, more valuable experience for everyone involved. Rule number 3, no profanities or obscene language or harassing other members. Keep it civil. I haven't seen much of a problem with this since we started in 2015. You've all been an amazingly polite bunch, and I've been blessed to work with you all. Rule number 4, do not solicit members of the mastermind group with affiliate links or business opportunities within the mastermind channels or using the private messenger. This is just something that could make people feel uncomfortable. The exception with affiliate links in the mastermind channels can potentially be when it comes to sharing some sort of crypto airdrops or bounties opportunities. Should be fine. But absolutely no MLM business or affiliate product links should ever be posted in the mastermind. And that sums it up for the rules. We really don't need many anyways, which is great. Other than that, I pretty much showed you everything you need to know about how to get into and maximize your access to our crypto markets mastermind chat group, which is constantly flowing 24/7 with the markets. And of course, I highly recommend you connect with our mastermind group with the mobile version of Slack as well. I'm also going to have another video in this section that will help take you through how to use the mobile version, which is a little bit different than the desktop version, and that confuses some people sometimes. So I'm going to erase that confusion for you. So keep your eye out for that, because I definitely think you should be rocking this on mobile. Now get in there and take advantage of it. I look forward to see you in there. Caleb Wright from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and I'll catch you on the next training video.